Rising arms giant. How South Korea is shaping global warfare. South Korea is emerging as a major player in the global arms industry, focusing on the production of 155mm K9 self-propelled howitzers, primarily manufactured by Hanwha Aerospace. The increasing demand for howitzers and other weaponry made in South Korea has been propelled by the prolonged conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Hanwha Aerospace is expanding, doubling its production capacity to meet the growing demands, following years of strategic investments in manufacturing processes. Many NATO countries had minimized their inventories of heavy artillery, focusing more on acquiring jet fighters and ships, thinking a large-scale land war was improbable. South Korea, due to its unique geopolitical position and constant threat from North Korea, has maintained and honed its arms manufacturing capabilities since the 1980s. The war in Ukraine revealed the necessity for high-caliber, long-range artillery, and the 155mm howitzer round became the most requested munition. South Korea's howitzers, although less advanced than some competitors, have become popular due to their lower cost and quicker delivery times. The country's weapons, based on US and German technology transfers, are ideal for NATO countries. South Korea's long investment in artillery makes it especially suitable for attrition warfare, having produced weapons capable of enduring prolonged conflict. Hanwha, a pivotal entity in South Korea's defense manufacturing, has been developing a variety of arms, including attack submarines, to meet global demands. South Korea, having evolved from an arms importer to a significant exporter, is strategically placing itself amongst the leading arms suppliers globally. South Korea currently accounts for 2.4% of global arms exports, leading in orders of tanks and artillery among the world's top 10 arms exporters. Poland and other countries have opted for South Korean artillery due to quicker delivery times and generous technology transfers. South Korea is gaining substantial defense contracts in the Middle East and Europe, a rare accomplishment for non-European countries. The ongoing conflicts and regional tensions continue to fuel the growth and development of South Korea's arms industry, aligning it with the needs of the global defense market. That's all for today. Remember to subscribe to keep up to date on AI plus military developments.